favorite little human beings. That's for sure. Nope.
Why are you saying like that? Kids are so cute.
Well, other people's kids are very cute. Yes, I agree with you. Other people's kids.
But why do you think so?
But to do it 24/7 and you don't get weekends off and you don't get paid,
Uh-huh.
and there's nope. I like my freedom. I appreciate my freedom.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Yep, I
it's true.
appreciate just
It's
being a free
true.
bird. I can just be like, "Oh, let's go for drinks. Let's meet in a half an hour," like, and my friends, like, we go. Like, I don't need to find a babysitter. I don't need to like worry about anything. Yeah, I can just go do
Okay.
things. Go
I
fly
see, I see.
home, fly to Egypt, whatever.
So tell me that it's your mentality. I mean, you're planning at this time or planning forever?
To no kids?
Yeah, having no kids.
No,
Is
no
it
kids
your present
forever.
planning?
No, forever. Yeah, no, nope.
Okay.
I'm 44 too. I'm not going to start now. I'm way too old to start with a baby. Like, I'm
Okay.
44 years old. How old are you?
I'm right now. I'm 27.
Yeah, I'm 44. There's no way I'm starting now. Are you kidding me? No way.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Actually, I didn't. You don't look like 44. That's why I didn't
Yeah, I
guess it.
know. It's because I didn't have kids. They didn't age me. It's because
You
I
look
didn't have kids. Yeah.
look young.
It's because I didn't have kids.
Okay.
It keeps you young. Kids age you. When you have kids, they age you. Like, they make
So
you so stressed and you look older, and oh, no.
so you want to say that your energy divides?
That's my anti-aging advice. Don't have kids, and also, but I have a great skincare program. So that too. Yeah. But
Yeah. So you give
mm,
a very good amount of time on being sweet, being look sweet.
yeah.
I mean.
Oh, I thought you meant like a lot of time on my face. I'm like, I don't wear makeup or anything. That's the other advice I have, anti-aging. Don't wear makeup. I've never really
Mhm.
worn makeup. Yeah, not a makeup person. And don't go in the sun. Stay out of the sun. Yeah. That's why I'm so
Okay.
white. I live in Egypt. I'm so white though because I stay out of the sun. I don't get a tan. I don't do that to my skin. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to ask you the next question. That where are you right now?
I'm in Egypt still. Yeah. I was in Egypt in January when I talked to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
still
forgot
in
actually.
Egypt. Mhm.
Mhm. So is it very, do you live very close to beach? Any beach or
I'm on the
where?
beach. I'm on the Red Sea. The Red Sea. Yeah.
Oh, how far is
Yeah,
it?
my beach is like very close. Yeah.
So how far?
Like maybe 10 minutes by car.
Oh, okay, 10 minutes by car. It means pretty 3 or 4 kilometers maybe,
About 5 kilometers.
or around 5 kilometers.
So it's
And
like I live in a huge compound. So my compound is so big. So where my villa is, it's closer to the beach than other villas, but it's still a little far to walk. But it's like a 10
yeah.
minute car ride, 15-minute bike ride, like whatever. Because there's like speed humps, the speed humps. So you can't really go too fast. Yeah. Um,
Okay. So
so it
it's
takes a
like
minute.
up
Mhm.
and down, up and down.
Like the speed hump, the speed bumps or whatever.
Yeah, speed bumps, I
But
see.
if you could just go without speed humps, like if you could just go, it'd be like a 3-minute ride by car. Like if you could just like drive without the bumps. But yeah, you have to slow down and keep slowing down. It takes a minute, but
Yeah.
yeah. But I understand why they're there. It's safer.
So how often do you go there?
Every Saturday is my beach day, but I also go on random days, sometimes on a Wednesday, sometimes on a Monday. Like I just go like twice a week. Like twice a week. Yeah.
Okay, at least twice a week.
At least, yeah. Sometimes three, but no more than three. Like three is very rare. Yeah, it's very rare. Yeah.
Because of doing other stuffs. That's why it happens.
I just stay out of the sun, you know. I try not to go into it too much. And I just want to be here working, and I love cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies, so I like my kitchen. I'd rather be home a lot of times than the beach. Yeah.
Okay, so
Are
tell
you
me
on
that.
the beach? So you're south. Are you by the water,
Uh,
the Indian Ocean?
no, actually,
Oh.
I live in a village. Okay, and
Mm.
it's quite far. So there are dams here around. Okay, there
Mhm.
are several dams here,
Mhm.
and kind of canal, not rivers, canals.
Right.
Yeah. So, and fortunately, the monsoon season starts. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So monsoon, maybe you know, monsoon it's like
I
rainy
do know
season.
it.
Yeah. So
Mhm.
rainy season starts. So hopefully I'll get to see